Hey, so I've been playing around with game development lately, and guess what? I built a game. Yes, not just any game, this is my version of the classic snake game, but with a twist. The snake changes color as it moves, and instead of boring food like apples, it is munching on donuts. Yep, donuts, yummy. I built this with a little help from ChatGPT, and yep, I've got the code right here. You can see HTML file. Let's look at how it works. See that? The snake keeps changing color. It looks super hungry and kinda cute. And it seems simple, right? But once it gets longer, it gets way harder to survive. It's fast, fun, and oddly addictive. You guide the snake, grab as many donuts as you can, and try to stay alive as long as possible. But be careful. One wrong turn into your own tail, and it's game over. Wanna try it yourself? Drop a comment and I will share the code with you. And hey, if you like this, like, subscribe, and let me know what game I should build next. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Bye.